Hi, I'm Harold Enger from SpringGreen Lawn Care, and I'm here to talk to you about helping improve your lawn through an application of lime, or I should say several applications of lime. Now, we apply lime to a lawn that has a low pH. In order to find out what your soil pH is, you have to have a soil test. Neutral pH is 6.5 to 7. That's ideal for most turf grasses. We happen to be in South Carolina, and most of your southern or warm season grasses prefer it a little bit more acid than that, but not quite as bad as what it shows in this lawn, which is almost 5.5 as a pH level, very acidic. So we're adding that lime, which also adds calcium and magnesium to the lawn, to help the nutrients that are here and that we apply become more available to the plant. When it's too acid, the plant just can't utilize the nutrients that are in the soil. So what we do is we go through a process of putting down lime application. Now this can be anywhere from 5 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet upwards to 50 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. Generally, we don't put that much lime down at any one particular time, but it can be something that's required over the year just to get that pH to come up. The lime will only last so long. It will be used up, be washed through the soil, and then you have to redo it again. So doing a lime application is usually an every year event, and you should redo a soil test every 2 or 3 years just to make sure that you're keeping that soil at the right pH level. Now I want to demonstrate to you how we go about doing this. It's not a difficult process, but we put the lime into a hopper of a spreader. We spread it across the lawn. But a lawn like this is going to need that to get started, because without that, it's just going to keep on staying thin and not look very good. But by adding that lime, we are going to help improve the ability of the plant to grow and fill in this lawn to make it look nice for the homeowner, and that's what our goal is. So for more information about whether or not your lawn needs a lime application, contact your neighborhood lawn care professional at SpringGreen, or you can visit us on our website at www.spring-green.com.